Good morning, class. Today we're going to learn Tokelau words for types of food and drinks. Are you ready? Let's start. Vai means water. Vai, water. Aiha-kulimi means ice cream. Aiha-kulimi, ice cream. Pateta means potato. Pateta, potato. Alaiha means rice. Alaiha, rice. Angi means onion. Angi, onion. Meatu means tuna. Meatu, tuna. Mea mamoi means lamb. Mea mamoi, lamb. Mea pua means pork. Mea pua, pork. Lole means lollies. Lole, lollies. Kohe means coffee. Kohe, coffee. Wow, you did amazing, class. See you tomorrow.